Running out of reasons to pay for iCloud Plus. In this guide, I will be showing you guys exactly how to cancel your iCloud storage plan and switch back to the free plan. So let's get in. Launch your Settings app, navigate to your Apple ID given at the very top. Now navigate to the option iCloud. Click on the option Manage Storage. Here you'll see your current iCloud Plus subscription plan. Whether it's 50 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB, or any else, on the screen scroll to the bottom and tap on Downgrade option. You'll now see all available downgrade choices. To cancel your paid subscription, tap the free plan 5 GB, then hit Done in the top right corner. If you're using more than 5 GB of storage, you'll need to delete some data or choose a larger plan before the downgrade takes effect. Go ahead and tap Downgrade to confirm. Your plan won't be cancelled immediately. You'll still have access to your current storage until your next billing cycle ends. After that, your plan will automatically switch to the free version. And that's it. You have now successfully cancelled your iCloud Plus subscription. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.